Hello everyone, welcome back to another Midjourney version 6 tutorial. This is a strange one for me because this feels just wrong. I'll just be honest with you up front here. It turns out Midjourney version 6 can now replicate pretty much any animation or cartoon style, and it is super easy to do. And I'm going to be up front here. I think this is a dangerous path that they're going down, and I have some really big concerns regarding things like copyright, plagiarism, and if you really look at it, it looks like you're just stealing an artist's style, and I am not in all. I don't go for that. I don't like stealing anything. Yeah, I mean, I'm not a lawyer. I'm not a copyright lawyer, but I'm just the messenger on this one. But I mean, just look at this. This is crazy. I know when I first started looking at some of these images, I thought, well, what the hell? This has to be like some kind of crazy infringement on intellectual property or something. But anyways, I mean, enough of that. Let's just go in and look at some of this stuff and then let me know what you think. Keep in mind that I am the messenger. I'm not saying do this or not do this. I just want to show you what's going on here, and you guys let me know what you think. I know I'm against it, but anyway, let's go. So I'll just start clicking through here. This is an example of something I created here of Sulley from Monsters, Inc. eating a piece of pizza. Now, I mean, here's the prompt, scene from Monsters, Inc. And then in brackets, in square brackets, Sulley eating a piece of pizza, style raw, etc., etc. Here's the thing. I mean, this is just a basic prompt, but this doesn't kind of look like Sulley. This looks exactly like Sulley. Now, this is not a screenshot from the movie. This is a made-up screenshot of him eating a piece of pizza. This is not anything that anybody's drawn before. But you can very clearly see that it is using not just the likeness, but it almost seems to be using the exact artist conception of Sulley. This is crazy. I did an example here of Bart eating a piece of pizza, and this is a little more interesting because there's a 3D style Bart, and then you can see here up at the top right here, this is kind of like the more traditional animated Bart. It's not 100% like Bart Simpson from The Simpsons, but it's pretty close. And then here's another example that kind of sits a little weird with me here. I did scene from Frozen, and then in brackets I had Olaf reading a book, style raw, etc. Look at this. I mean, that's Olaf. I mean, I'm sorry, but this isn't kind of like Olaf. I mean, this is an exact replica of him drawn out. And I mean, I don't know. I just get a really weird feeling, when I see this type of stuff here. Here's another example, scene from Frozen. Again, I do not believe these are actual screenshots. I just said, hey, give me an example scene, and it has drawn this to near perfection. Like if I was Midjourney, I would be very concerned about copyright and plagiarism. You guys can replicate this yourself. If you want to use the prompt, go ahead and use it. I do not condone or believe that you should use this in any way in terms of, creating videos and other people's styles. I think you'd get into legal trouble, and I think you shouldn't be able to make money off of that. And I'm very pro-artist, but I did want to show you the controversy. Let me know what you think in the description below. I'm still not sure how I feel about this, but it feels wrong to me. But let me know. Thanks for watching.